you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, in this video we're gonna discuss best free resources to learn German from A1 to C2. What better than this? I have received your comment and that's why this whole video is here. I hope you're gonna love this video. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Gyan. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. My German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation. Guys, whatever you can think around German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan. And yes, let's get in this video. Let's go.
Best free resources to learn German from A1 to C2 level. The first one is DW Learn German, the best free German course. This is one of the best free German learning platform in DW Learn German. It offers complete courses from beginners to advanced levels, including videos, vocabulary training, and grammar explanations. Now the question is why it's great. So the first thing is they have courses from A1 to B2 level, then placement test to find your level. Third, they show interactive exercises. They have listening and video lessons. The famous course Nico's Way is especially popular among beginners. Many learners say this course feels more like a real structured German class than an app. Next is Goethe-Institut free exercises. The Goethe-Institut, the official German cultural institute, offers free practice exercises and materials for learners from A1 to C2 level. Here you get grammar exercises, listening and reading practice, cultural topics, real-life communication practice, and this is great if you are preparing for Goethe exams. Deutsch.info. Another excellent platform is Deutsch.info. This website provides structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 levels with videos, exercises and grammar explanations. Here you get interactive lessons, grammar explanations, audio and video materials and cultural information about Germany. VHS Learn Portal. Government supported courses. The VHS Learning Portal offers free German courses from A1 to B2. These courses include reading, writing, listening and speaking exercises, and even provide feedback from tutors. Now why it is useful? Because it has structured lessons, progress tests, feedback from tutors and completely free. Lingolia, the best website for grammar practice. If you want to improve German grammar, Lingolia is one of the best websites. It offers grammar explanations, vocabulary, and exercises from A1 to C2 levels. Mein Deutsch Book. Mein Deutsch Book is a complete grammar and exercise platform created by a German teacher. This offers you detailed grammar explanations, exercises for each topic, vocabulary lists, and self-study lessons. This is perfect for learners who want clear grammar rules. German.net. German.net offers free exercises, vocabulary practice, and verb conjugation training for beginners and advanced learners. It is great for daily practice and revision. On this page, you also get text level-wise so that you can read it and solve the exercises. Free apps which you can use to learn German are Anki, Memorize, Busuu, and Deutsch Academy. Several of these apps provide interactive vocabulary and grammar exercises for German learners. YouTube channels for German. YouTube is also one of the best free learning tools. You can find grammar explanations, vocabulary lessons, listening practice, and exam preparations on YouTube. Videos on YouTube cover everything from basic phrases to advanced grammar topics, their explanations, and examples. Best study combinations. If you want to learn German efficiently, combine these resources. DW Learn German with structured courses, Lingolia with grammar practice, Anki with vocabulary, and YouTube for listening explanation. Using multiple resources helps you improve reading, listening, speaking, and grammar together.
So guys, how was this video? I hope now you are a master, that you are already aware that what are the best resources to learn German from A1 to C2. What better than this? Yes guys, I know. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.